Hey everybody, thanks for joining me for another episode of Devotional Diva. My name is Makeup Dr. Shree, and today is February the 1st, I believe. So I like to start out by saying Psalms 19:14, which reads, "May these words of my mouth and this meditation of my heart be pleasing in your sight, Lord, my rock, my redeemer." And I say that to remind myself that it's for the Lord's will that I do this and not my own. And I keep waiting till the end of the day to do this, and then I'm tired and I don't want to show my first face because I do not look very diva-ish at all. But I gotta do it anyway. So I've just been posting a couple of verses. And so I am going to be going to a specialist tomorrow about the problems with my tennis elbow. And I wanted to read some verses about healing. Also, I have some friends that are been in the hospital and they're healing now too. So I want to say these verses are for you as well. And first begin with Jeremiah 30:17, which reads, "But I will restore you to health and heal your wounds, declares the Lord, because you are called an outcast, Zion, for whom no one cares." So I thought that was a really great one. Another one, I think all of these are from Jeremiah. I just realized that just now after I'd picked them all out. Jeremiah 17:14, which reads, "Heal me, O Lord, and I will be healed. Save me, and I will be saved. For you are the one I praise." And just remind us that we need to speak to the Lord about what's going on with us and ask for healing, because you don't have because you don't ask. You have not because you ask not, I believe is what it says. Jeremiah 33:6 lastly says, "Nevertheless, I will bring health and healing to it. I will heal my people and let them enjoy abundant peace and security." I thought that was a beautiful one too. So just as a reminder to myself that when I'm going through pain and stuff, that I can pray to the Lord about healing. And also I will keep my friends in prayer that are also going through issues that need healing. And I want to know what Bible verses you like. If you're going through any pain or any problems and need healing, just let me know. Again, my eyes are watering, I think, because I'm tired. And it's the end of the day. But thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate it. And I will hopefully see you tomorrow. If not my face, you'll see a verse or something. All right. Have a great day. God bless.